Good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, click the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. You guys have not been subscribing, please like so that YouTube can recommend my video. Please like and share. Also share in groups, share please. Today I want to take you on the tutorial on how to blend colors on your braided hair. How to blend in colors. You can see that the hair has some white highlights on it, although there is a video I have created before. You can go ahead and watch that to see how I am going to be sketching out the hair before we blend it in. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this brush called the Dream Brush under Designer, and my color on black. So I'm going to sketch out the hair. I'm going to sketch it out and make sure that a new layer above, you create a new layer above. This is it. I've created a new layer above already. So I will just cut out this place. I want to sketch out the hair. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my previous video how I explain explicitly on how to do that. So I will just cut this area and we jump to the blending. So go ahead with me. So this is the sketch out. I have sketched it out, you can see. So you see, let's check. That is it. So now we want to blend in the color. So what I'll do is I want to create duplicate of this. Duplicate, you bring this above this. And I want to create a new layer. The reason for that is so that we can see what we are doing clearly. So I create a new layer of that, and what I want to do next is pick my pen. I want to use this pen called, I think, the Art Pencil. This pen, can use this pen. That is the pen. So because this video is just a guide, my intention is not to do the whole picture, but I just want to take you through on how you can actually go through it and do it on your own. So sorry, this is the color to change the background. I changed the background to this orange. So what I want to do now is, we have used this art pencil to put a white stripes on the hair. So the next thing is just to, probably you want to do this, just increase it, reduce it. So once that has been done, what you want to do is reduce the opacity of this one to probably 20. Duplicate it and blend it to soft light. Increase the opacity to 33. So 33 should be okay. You can see. Can you see? Then duplicate this one. Duplicate it. Bring it above that. And come down to this layer, the soft light, and create a new layer. And pick this brush called the soft air brush. Pick it. Your color on white. So you want to add more white to the hair. You can see that some part of the hair looks whitish, like this area. I want to work with less opacity and less size. So you can see, just paint that area. We want to make it shine like this area. So let's see what we've done. You can see that this area is shining. This area is shining, it's shining, it's shining. So anywhere that you can see that it's shining, this place also, this place shining. So let's see. Can you see? Can you see? So if you like, you can just reduce the opacity, and if you want, you can just probably blend it to soft glow and reduce the opacity, whichever one. So you can increase the size of your brush, and you can just walk around to add light to the part of the hair, the middle of the hair, probably the middle of the hair. Add light to the middle of the hair so that it can look different from the other parts. So can you see? Can you see? Just add light to the middle and reduce the size. Reduce the size. And just add that to this, to the middle, or wherever you can see the light, you can see more. And just add it. So don't forget, this video is just a guide, not a full tutorial. It's just a guide on how to do it. You can see that it's shining, like, yeah, and it's getting realistic. So that is just how to blend the color. So let's see. So that's just it about that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is just the guide to follow when creating a braided hair. And if you are able to do this, this is cool. And you add to the other side here, some areas here that you know, depending on what you are seeing on the hair you are working on. So, and don't forget also, when you are working on a braided hair, when you are painting the face, make sure you are painting the when you are shading the face of the person you are working on, make sure that you are also shading this area, the area of the hair, the side of the hair here. You are shading it, all this area here. You are shading all this area, all this area, all this area, all this. You shade it, you shade it. Make sure you are shading it also, so that it can look realistic. So if you want to add probably the dark color or the dark shade, shade it also. Shade the side of the hair. Probably I will do a video on how I did my home when I was working on a person with a braided hair. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. Bye, and I love you.